If you're looking to update your old bathroom, a great affordable way for a fresh new look is to update the vanity. If you don't know where to start, Super Home Surplus is here to help.
One thing that really sets us apart from other stores like us is the selection of vanities that we have on the floor for you to look at. We have everything from transitional styles to traditional and contemporary, so really any style that could fit your needs, we could send it home with you today.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy, and they can help you with all the options. They'll walk you through the range of items that are in stock and also special order. They can even guide you through different customizable options that'll look best for your home.
So as I look around your showroom, I notice they all have tops on them. Is that what comes with the cabinet?
Actually, no. If you like the top that's on there, of course you can take it that way. However, we allow our customers to mix and match according to their style and their budget. One thing that we can do for you, all of our tops come in all sizes to match the vanities that you choose.
With more than 300 vanities in stock, some projects can be complete before you know it. Customize the hardware to fit your style with in-stock or special order items. So feel free, stop by the store or give them a call. Super Home Surplus stores in Madison and Bowling Green, superhomesurplus.com for more information.